Okay, guys. Been driving the 718 for a couple of months, and along the month, I've got ordered quite a few things. Only managed got time to do this. The very first thing I always wanted to do was to refurbish these keys. The spare key that was given was in mint condition, so I just kept the key. This key that was daily used, it comes with the original Porsche keychain. And then as you can see, this key is pretty worn actually. All the buttons are coming out, the clear. Okay, the Porsche logo is gone. Scratches everywhere. So I did some searching around and I managed to source some stuff to refurbish it. Firstly, what I got here. I managed to find rubber inserts to replace it so that it doesn't have that can you see this? It looks like that, which doesn't look very nice. So this one is a replacement for it. And then the Porsche logo, I've got it here. These are all not original, but hopefully it does make it look better after all my jobs. Okay, I've got a cover to replace this. Since my car is blue, since I'm working on it, I thought I'd just try to make it different a bit. This is the cover I got, a blue and orange. And this one, which a more classic grayish black. Let me know in the comments which would you guys would have went it for to replace the covers on the keys, since I'm working on it. But for a start, I think I'll probably try this one to see how it goes and see whether it will match my car color or not. Okay, and I try to DIY this myself. If any of you need a link on getting all this, you can hook me up. You can contact me. I can let you know how we can get this done. Basically, the guy sent me a instruction. Okay, so hopefully this instruction does gonna help me to do a DIY. I try to capture and see how simple it is. Okay, hopefully I don't screw this up. Okay, the instruction says to pry off from here. Let's try. Okay, this is out, left, and then it says it pries here the other end from the top. Let's see, hopefully I don't break anything. Oh no. Okay, let's see. Okay, this side out. Okay, what does it say? Pry the bottom of the right. Okay, this one is out, that one is out. Pry off the bottom middle shell from the hook. Okay, let's see if I can. How do I do this? Okay, supposed to remove this silver top piece. Hopefully I don't break anything. You just say everything open from the top. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Let me see what can I do next. Okay, since all this is out of the way, let me see. Maybe I take a baby wipe to clean up the keys. I'm quite sure it's been very dirty over the years. Okay, so I've got it. Let's do some simple cleaning here so that I don't screw up. I don't touch the electronics there to spoil it. Okay, I think it should be all good now. Okay, like I said. Okay, so I think to reinstall should be going back on the reverse way. Okay, so I'm gonna do on this one. Okay, let me see. This is on this side, and this one should be on this side. Okay, and this should be the middle piece. Okay, let's get this out of the way. I've got this replacement rubber. Hopefully everything goes in well. Okay, this goes out of the way. This is the new rubber. It should be going in like this. So I go on this. Let's see. Hopefully all these not original parts will fit. It looks like it's alright. It looks like it's fitting. I'm not sure how good it's gonna be. I hope all this don't just fall out by itself. Okay, so the fit on the reverse, we should be fitting back the original, the middle part first. Okay, so I think there's a hook here that goes right up here, and the middle, I think. Let me see how it goes in again. Oh, it looks difficult. Let me have a quick look at it. Okay, after some trying, managed to fit this in. Okay, hopefully it works well. Okay, let's go on this side first. Okay, so we should do the reverse. We take out from the key part, we should fit from the bottom part. Let me see. Hopefully it's gonna fit well. Somehow I should just taken out the key ring just now. I don't know why I didn't do that. Somehow it looks like it's a tight fit. Oh, okay, managed to fit it in. Sorry about this video. It got me excited and I go out of range. Okay, I should do it better on my next video. This is the first time I tried doing a video like this. Hopefully it gets better in future. Okay, it gets clipped in. Oh, perfect. Everything seems to be spot on here. Can you see that? Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let me take this ring out first. It's a bit annoying. And I got a new ring, you know. A new ring to replace this. I'll show you in a while. I got it from UK. Really nice. This is the original Porsche one. And I got the new ring. It's also original Porsche one. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. Let me try to fix this the Porsche logo that was dropped off from the key ring. Let's see. Okay, this is the one. It's really tiny. So just to replace it. Okay, I got it out. Let's see. Well, it fits in there. Can you see? Fits in. Looks pretty cool, huh? The finishing, not too bad. Not too bad, really. So if any one of you want to get a set of this or in different color to revive your key rings, you can get in touch with me. It's not too difficult. I can get it for you and probably install for you as well. It's pretty straightforward, you know. Okay, let me see. What keychain I got? I special ordered this from US, sorry, not UK. This is an original keychain from Porsche, not the one from China, okay? Okay, you can see. I got it from US, but it's actually from made in Germany, okay? How? Okay, here. Let me see how to remove this. Okay, I got this. Okay, it's written here, can you see? Made in Germany, okay? This keychain is really expensive. It's a lot more expensive than all the cover you see. But I really liked it, okay? This one. Can you see this? It's a beautiful keychain. It's a very classic keychain from Porsche. Can you see this? Love this. Okay, the color of this keychain, it sort of matches my what do you call that? My seats. You know, remember my seats? My lightweight bucket seats. I have this the middle cloth replaced by the previous owner to a beautiful checkered look kind of thing. Okay, here you go. Okay, I think it looks quite nice now. The new key been revamped, refurbished with a nice blue orange casing to match my blue Miami blue car, and this original Porsche keychain, okay, to match my checkered lightweight bucket seats. Hope you guys enjoyed this very short video on my 718 project. Okay, thank you guys. See you again.